In this short video, I'll show you how to use the ServiceNow CMDB Workspace to quick understand how the IT environments and dependency it looks. So let's dive in. We will look into what we will learn today. So basically, what's CMDB Workspace? Why does it exist? Who has the access to it basically? And what are the key features about the CMDB Workspace? Basically, it helps you to visualize and analyze CIs. I'll go through you a very quick demo of what is an application service and how does the application dependencies looks like. And if you don't know me, I'm Satpal Singh Ply. I'm actually a certified CTA architect with 7x mainline certification, including service mapping, discovery, APM, and all those things. So that's a quick introduction about me. So what is actually a CMDB workspace? It's just another workspace where you can see in ServiceNow where does the data is stored and how it is stored. Here's a quick walkthrough of CMDB workspace. So how do you find it? It actually goes under a workspace tab, and you can find out CMDB workspace. When you click on it, it opens this window where you can search the CIs. Hey, in a simple words, show me all web servers, show me all the machines and everything, whatever you want to search for it. Of course, it's a quick overview of, you can see the important actions like duplicate CIs, steal CIs, what are the new CIs are connected, created, how many total number of CIs are there, and there are quick links to see the dependencies and everything. We will dive into it in future, but this is just a quick overview of it, and also see the health of your CMDB. How does it really look like? If I want to go very much in detail, who has the access to it? Basically everyone who has at least a CMDB read or ITIL role, they should be able to see this dashboard. For the management part, I think you need a special role for an admin. You need to look into the documentation. Otherwise, you can manage your CIs from here. How it is actually created, how many stales, what are the recent activities, and there are a very few or actually a very well dashboards are there which we can use it for. And then of course, let's have a quick look into the insights. How does the overall CMDB looks like on the governance side? So if you remember, I have also in a previous video mentioned about my 3 pillars, how you can use the 3 pillars to make sure your CMDB is healthy. This is one of the area where you need to look into it. So for example, in data ingestion, data governance there are the main pillars. So you make sure that all the data which you push into our CMDB, it goes through the reconciliation engine and identification engine. That is very important. How do you add the governance process? This is like when to retire, what is the life cycle of CI, how do you adopt this particular dashboard. You will see this adoption and ingestion in my coming videos. It goes from 0 to 20%, 30%, and so on and so forth. We will try to improve the quality of my CMDB dashboard with few examples, and I'll go through it. Very quickly about what is an application service. For example, you have a Facebook application. So when you type facebook.com, that's your entry point, and then you have all the necessary load balancers, web servers connected to it. So it gives you the entire maps. And I have created one example of an application service dashboard. You can how it is actually created, what is the number of CIs I've created. So for example, I have created for SAP prod, how the SAP is one of the instances are there. So how it is created, what is the name of it, and infrastructure, what is the health of CI. You can see that. Of course, this is right now created manually, but in future videos probably we'll try to see that how we can do it via service mapping and everything else. So yeah, so that is a quick introduction about the application service and a CMDB workspace. Of course, I use a lot That's my personal feedback to you. Please try to use the CMDB Workspace. How does it really help you to govern the CMDB and all? So yeah, that's all from today, from this video. Let's try to sync in another topic in another video. But thanks for today. Bye bye.